All right, beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial. So in today's session we are quickly going to be looking at how you can transfer USD from from one wallet to another wallet. So this is my Bybit account now. So the first thing is to locate where you can get your USD wallet. And how do you do that? You can see my present assets now. Maybe after this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how you can sell your Bybit account. So now the first thing you want to do is to come to where we have assets here. Okay, so on getting here you will see deposit. Now I have two Bybit accounts, so I want to move the other money to this account. And how do you do it? It's very simple. Just come to this deposit here. Once you come to deposit, this will pop up. Click on where we have this deposit crypto. And for those of you that you are watching this video, you have not created your Bybit account, you have not verified your Bybit account, and you have not created a free Bybit account, and you have not created a free virtual dollar card with Bybit, they are not charging you for any creation fee. Their card fee for now is free. I've recorded the video on this channel, so what I'll just do is to drop the video under the comment section so you can watch it there, or under the description button of this tutorial so you can go there to watch how you can create your account, how you can also verify it at the same time, and how you can also request for dollar virtual card. Do you understand? So now let's proceed. So let's assume you've already created your account now, and the purpose of you watching this tutorial is to transfer. So now on getting to this page, you will see these three options. This deposit with crypto is what you are going to work with. Just click on deposit with crypto here. So it's going to tell you which crypto do you like, which wallets do you want to fund. Now I will select USSD. You can see here I've already searched for it because I normally use it often and often. Now the reason why I'm selecting this USDT is that it is very cheap, most especially when you are sending from Bybit to Bybit. They are going to charge you, I think, for free. That one is free. I'm not sure, they are not charging for it. But if it is from Binance, they'll just charge maybe 1 USD. So now you select USD here. After selecting USD, it's going to take you to select a network chain. So I'm going to be using TRC20, and it's going to generate my wallet for me. Do you understand? So now I'm going to copy my address. Do you understand? Then screenshot this. Then screenshot this guy here. Do you understand? For record purpose. So what I'll just do now is to go and sign out. Right? I'm going to sign out this account and log into my other account. So I'm just going to click on settings here. Then I'm going to click on logout. So let me click on logout. So I'm now going to log into the account I want to transfer these funds, like the account that I want to use to transfer from. So once you get here, you will see that the current balance is under funding. If I'm to click on funding, you will see that is under funding, right? So now the next thing you will do here is to click on withdraw, because you want to withdraw this money. So you click on withdraw here. After you click on withdraw, remember we use what? USDT. So you click on USDT and then you paste. This is the address where we'll have this address, but just click here, paste the address there automatically. Once you paste the address, the next thing is the network chain. So you select the network chain. So we use this one here is TRC20. So you select TRC20, right? Once you select this TRC20, do you understand? Then the next thing you will do here is to click on the withdrawal amount, which is the withdrawal fee. On a norms, remember I told you that on a norms, their withdrawal fee is 2 USDT. But if it is Bybit to Bybit, I think they charge for free. I don't know of now when I'm recording this video. Let's see if they are going to charge us or not, because I'm only using this video for a tutorial purpose, right? So you can see here, they said this address is linked to a Bybit account. Utilize internal transfer to enjoy zero fee. So what we'll do now is internal transfer. Remember, I'm showing you is a two-way method. This is on chain now. Remember, maybe you want to send it to another, maybe Binance. That's why I'm showing you this method. So now the next thing you will do now is to input the amount of the USDT you want to send. So let's say you want to have 100 USDT, just press 100, then you scroll down here. Once you scroll down, you will see here that they said they are charging. Just come to this amount of received, you click on it, set lane. So these two, the first one is maybe you are sending 100, the person will get maybe 98 USDT, and they will remove 2 USDT for the transfer fee. But if you want to select this last option, which says deduct the amount from withdrawal amount, that means they are going to charge you. Let's say you want to send 100 USDT now, and you select this last option here, this one that I clicked on. They are going to charge you 102. So the 2 is for the transfer fee, and once you are okay with it, then you click on withdraw. Once you click, the reason why it's not showing me because I don't have enough balance. If I'm to click on maximum, remember we have just how much, 1.77. so this method now is for other network, Binance or any other ones at all, any other chain. Do you understand? So that is for this one. Now let's go and transfer internally. Now when we have this on chain here, you can see at the front we have internal transfer. So just click on internal transfer because we are transferring to what? To a internal wallet, which is the same USDT. So what you will do now, select, the first thing is to select the coin. Remember, we have selected it. Then the next thing, you can either use the mobile number of the person, or you use the UID. The UID is always on the profile, or you use email. So I'm just going to use email. This is the email account that I use for the account we are transferring to. Okay, so the next thing is the withdrawing amount. So I'm just going to click on max. I want to transfer everything. Since they are not charging us, this services is free. Do you understand? So make sure that the email account is correct, because they are going to be crediting it to the email attached to this. So you don't even need your what? Address. But if you want to use address, just come to this address book here, then input the address you want to transfer it to. That's what you can do. So but this, I'm not using this address because this is an internal. I'm just going to use this email. So I'm transferring 1.7730 USDT. So the next thing here is to click on withdraw, and you can see 0 fee. You can see it here. They are charging us 0 fee for the withdrawal. So I'm just going to click on no verification needed for next time, then click on confirm. So a code will be sent directly to the email attached to this one. Then also what? A Google authentication will what? You will also use your Google authentication to complete the security verification, which I'm going to be doing shortly. So I'm done inputting the code. You should know that this is Google Authenticator. There is a time lapse for it. So I need to click on confirm. So you can see that withdrawal application submitted in progress. Please head to the access page to check the status. So I'm just going to click on OK. Then I'm going to click on not now. Let's go and see the progress. Let's go back. You can see now that our balance has changed to 000. So let's go and check the progress. Let's see. Let me see what I have in my transfer history. Let's go and use, okay, this is it here. So you can see that the withdrawal is still okay. It has even completed. This is it. You can see now it says withdrawal completed. This is it. I've withdrawn this. No, I think is it for this chain? Let me see if this is for this. Let me click on all transfer. They've sent me an email, and I think I've definitely received it from the second account. You have received a transfer from Bybit user, the email I use, internal transfer. So let's log in back to the other the other Bybit account to check and confirm if we have received it. So let me just log out, then confirm, and then log in with the new email address. So this is the account now. Let me log in. Now I've logged in. So let's go back to our home page. Let's go back to our home page. Let me come back here. and see what we have. Okay, let me go back to home. Let's see what we have now. We have 126 USDT. Let's go back to our asset and let's go to what we have. You can see here under earnings we have 124 and under funding we have 1.77, which is what we transferred. If I'm to click on funding, you will see that this is what we transfer here. Do you understand? That is to tell you that the transfer went successfully. However, how do you still confirm that this has been added to your funding balance? So that is basically how you can do what? How you can know that the account was successfully, and you can see the funding, then the earnings, right? So you can now convert it to your earnings page. All right, so that is how to do what? How to transfer from in-chain, from one chain to another, and from bybit to another bybit account. So I hope you find value in watching to this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching to this very hint, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and comment to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. Peace out. I'm signing out, and I will see you in my next tutorial.